boys and girls. It is time for math. We are starting a new chapter in math, so this lesson today will be very short because, we always do that section called Show What You Know, where they just kind of check a few things and then get you warmed up and ready for a new chapter. So on the front of your paper it says, apple trees grow from a small seed. About how many seeds are in an apple? George is thinking about that. So if you have an apple at home, you might want to have an apple snack today, and you could send me a message and let me know how many seeds you found inside your apple. They're usually right there in the middle, when either you cut into the middle of your apple, or if you're just chewing on it. After you've chewed all the good part of your apple, you've got that core left, your seeds are going to be in there. So we're going to start talking about numbers to 10. We've already talked about numbers 0 to 5. We've worked on some shapes. We've worked on some sorting. Now we're talking about numbers to 10. All right, so when you turn your page, I'm going to give you some directions, and then some of this I'll be letting you do by yourself, and I will check it when you send it back in to me. But right here by the red apple, it says draw 9 flowers. So they've got the number 9 there. You need to draw 9 flowers. Be sure to count when you were doing it, because sometimes we forget. So you might draw a few, then go back and count and see how many you've got. Draw a few more, make sure you've got 9. By the yellow sun, they want you to draw 7 flowers. So they're talking about flowers today. So go back and check and make sure you get 7 of them. All right, now in these boxes, 3, 4, 5, and 6, you're just going to count the flowers and write a number with your pencil. So count these yellow flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You would write a 9 there. Make a loop and a line. That's the way to make a 9. Then count the red flowers, count the purple flowers, and count the pink flowers. I'm not going to do those because I want you to count them and write the number so I can check to see what you are doing. All right, on your next page, you just got a little picture, and there are some words. Less, greater, same number. So the directions say, circle the words that describe the number of carrots and the number of celery sticks. So let's look at our carrots. We've got 1, 2, 3 carrots. Let's count the celery. 1, 2, 3 pieces of celery. That is the same. So circle those words, same number. Another math word for same would be equal. The carrots and the celery are equal. They are both 3. Use greater and less to describe the number of trees and the number of bushes. All right, let's count our trees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count our bushes. 1, 2. All right, so I would say the trees are greater than the bushes. That means we have more trees than bushes. We have 4 trees, we have 2 bushes. Or I could say there are less bushes than trees because we've only got 2 bushes, but we have 4 trees. So greater means more, less means smaller, and then same means they are equal. All right, when you turn to the back, boys and girls, that's where they always had a game that you can play with your family. These directions say, play with a partner. You're going to need some type of game marker. Now, if you didn't really have a game piece, you could use a marshmallow, you could use a pea, you could use anything that you've got there at home, a bean, whatever. Place the game markers on start. Here's your starting spot. Use a pencil and a paper clip to spin for a number. Take turns spinning. Each player moves his or her marker to the next space that has the same number of objects. Objects is the number you spin. So if you spin to 5, then that's what you would go to. You would look for something that had 5 on it. The first player to reach the end right here wins. All right. So you would have to use a paper clip and let me show you a pencil to make a spinner. This is kind of Alright, so I would put my pencil mark right in there. You gotta hold it really, really still, and then you can spin, and that makes a spinner. I got the number 8. I tried it again. Oh, got the number 8 again. Got the number 12 that time. So that's how you can make a spinner if you're trying to play a math game at home and you need one. Alright, boys and girls, have a great day. If you have any questions, send me a message.